Today I'm going to be making this sausage, mushroom, and kale soup. 5 carbs, 8 servings. I'll take my blood sugar. All the products that I use today are from Fresh Time Market, which is like a Whole Foods. Most of their products are uncured, natural, clean, no nitrates. Alright, I've got my 2 hours 101. Okay. Very simple recipe. All you do is you bring the chicken broth to until it's hot, and let me just show you. Hot and boiling. Just want to show you the brand. This is an all-natural Kendall Farms. Always look at the ingredients and make sure there's nothing artificial in there, and no sugar. Okay, onion juice, natural flavors, celery juice, chicken broth. So this is 232 ounces of these. I guess it's a box, I would call what they come in. So after you bring the chicken broth to a boiling point, then you can add your other ingredients. And this is chicken bratwurst, which is has a very nice flavor and taste. You don't need to cook that first because it's where is it? It says it's somewhere fully cooked. So just cut it up into slices. And then I also added 1 small package of mushrooms sliced and baby kale. I bought this box, which I think is 6 ounces, so I only used half of it, and the other half I'll put into a salad. And this is something that I buy pretty much just for flavor, but it's a personal thing. Pico de gallo. This is the spicy kind, so it doesn't really matter. You can do the mild or the spicy. So then you just put all that into your boiling chicken broth, and you let it simmer for about a half an hour, and you're good to go. In the hint on the blog, I do like cream soup, so I'll probably add either coconut milk or a couple tablespoons of heavy whipping cream to mine, just because I like the flavor of that. Otherwise, I can show you what it looks like. Very healthy. I'm surprised at these kale. What's baby kale? I know regular kale is normally curly, but this wasn't. So you can see all the mushrooms. And let's see, I don't even have, oh, here's the sausage. Yeah. And these are your kale. Good for a nice cold rainy day like today. And let me just write that on there on the board before I forget. So visit our Facebook page if you need answers to your type 2 questions. I know myself, I did have cancer. I was diagnosed with type 2 in 2010, and then I had uterine cancer. So, watch what you're eating. I think it's a big deal to eat your healthiest food that you can. Stay away from all the carbs. We recommend 50 carbs per day or less. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if these recipes are helpful for you, and have a good week. Take care. Bye.